forever, ever hold a never mind. Oh,
My beautiful Taurus, कैसे हैं आप लोग? We're going to do your reading today, which will be a love reading or relationship reading. Okay? मेरी सारी information description box में है guys, kindly have a look. If you haven't liked or subscribed to the channel, please do, because that helps the channel grow and I send you so much of love. The mantra on the channel is to spread joy, peace, happiness, right? There is no reason or season for it, right? COVID is very difficult for everybody around, and I send you so much of love. Stay safe जहाँ भी आप लोग हैं. I hope आपके और आपके loved ones they're safe. So I've already done an encapsulated reading for the full moon in Sagittarius that happens to be on the May 26th, whichever part of the world you're in, with the lunar eclipse, right? Do watch that reading. Do watch your sun, moon, and rising, because that's a detailed reading, lasting for like 2 hours plus. Okay, timestamp. And this is going to be a relationship reading, your love message that you need to see. Okay, so let's see from the love oracle deck as to what are your messages that you need to see. Why do I have a lot of water, Taurus? Is it raining? Is it raining somewhere around? Tell me. I don't know. And maybe you're not saying things clearly, Taurus. What do we need to see, Michael? Look at it, what do we need to see for the Taurus? आपके messages क्या हैं? What do you need to see, the one watching? We don't do reversals on the channel unless I'm guided to. Only energies that happen to, okay? Wow. So we have ownership, okay? So watch this card carefully. Taurus, ध्यान से देखिए, okay? For you, I think what I really see is that it says that you acknowledge your misdeeds and accomplishments alike and learn to love them all as lessons. Okay, so guys, keep in mind that you have to honor whatever has happened or has been going on in your relationship, right? So it's about you realizing, you really realizing that what was not working out in the relationship could be because of you also. Okay, so it's about everything coming into place suddenly with all the colors. So you're trying to align yourself, your spirit, and you're saying, you know what, now I understand whatever I've received from my person in question. Could be your person you're dealing with in an existing relationship, could be the one coming in, or could be like for some who are stepping up into a relationship, right? Or either with a single couples, you can take it whichever way. So it's about you receive it as valuable feedback. You don't kind of judge it. Father says the judge not so that you not judge. You're finally getting that understanding, and you're aligning yourself with it. You're saying that I would take it as valuable feedback because that really works for you in that kind of light, and you're recognizing that what you say to people, what you say really makes all the difference. How you say it, right? If you say things politely, they're received politely. If you say things kindly, they're received kindly. लेकिन अगर आप बहुत rough tough होके अपना stand down करके कहेंगे कुछ भी, तो obviously at times people don't kind of get it. So I think you're coming into a very healthy kind of acknowledgement, Taurus. With the full moon in Sagittarius, you're basically actually seeing your shadow side. So with the lights here, we're gonna pull your tarot, and you're basically growing. You're evolving into a better being, and you don't want anything depressing in your life. You want happy, healthy, very understanding, stable relationships around you. You feel that the words and thoughts of a person really matter, Taurus. For some Taurus that I'm resonating, you guys are possibly having tea right now, and you're saying, oh yeah, Oh yeah, I mean you really feel that, right? Or could be you're drinking something. I don't know. I see somebody with a mug. If that's you, of course the reading is for you. And even if you're not drinking, right, there must be something in and around you of the similar light. If not, then not. Michael, some of the messages we need to see from my Taurus. Prepare as much for guide. Let me see, Gabriel. What do I need to say? Taurus, Taurus, Taurus. Taurus people. My soul tribe. Their messages, upcoming energies. Rest me, full moon, Sagittarius, lunar. You're evolving, you're growing. Maybe your relationship is growing. Maybe it's about rising up. Maybe it's about, believing that the one you are with is the right person. Maybe you're dealing with an air sign. Do watch the Gemini reading, okay? So, Knight of Swords is the energy which is prevalent, which is saying that, oh, you know what? Kind of want to rush to you. I want to come to you, Taurus. First, watches, take it as it comes to you. Use your inner compass, okay? What else with the Knight of Swords? Where is it going? Ooh. Abundance. Sun. Could be a fire sign. So you're releasing any stagnant situations. Anything that was holding your relationship back. Taurus, you are going forward, or somebody is coming to you. Because you have finally acknowledged whatever is not going right in the relationship right now. With the full moon in Sagittarius people, you would be telling me that, Shivi, now I've made it right. Because I understand, as I'm growing, as I'm attracting abundance, maybe you're dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, right? And you're saying, the sun is mine. Could be an Aries, could be a strong Aries in your chart, okay? So wow, the most beautiful card in the deck is the Sun, and then you have the Page of Pentacles. So beautiful, utterly beautiful, that that this is so abundant, and you're saying I'm going to take it slow, although I want to rush, but I'm going to take it easy. Taurus, wow, I love you, whoever you guys are, okay? I love you. So you're saying that you're going to balance it out, and you're going to take it bit by bit. You're going to take it slow, steady, and make sure that this relationship stays for longevity. Because I think, as much as I understand Taurus, you can correct me, you can tell me, Shivi, no, you're wrong, but I know I'm right. So it's about you saying that I want somebody who can trust me as I can trust the person. I want somebody who can give me feedback, can tell me that this is how we can make things right, can tell me that we can have a healthy and a soulful experience together for life. That is how Sun comes into play, na guys? Wow, Taurus, beautiful. So we do have let's see what else comes around. You are doing that thing, like I said, you're evolving, you're changing for the better, and you're looking for meaningful relationships. You're not interested for टेम्पररी प्यार व्यार नहीं चाहिए आपको अब. You're like more into the game of I want stability. La 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 la. What's that song? I'm missing it. गाने मेरे ही तू गावेगा, la la, something like that. So it's like you want the person to sing your tune. And you want that you should sing the person's tune. So that's the kind of vibe. With the Knight of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Somebody very warm, somebody very loving, somebody very nurturing, somebody very attractive, somebody very sexy. Man, woman, doesn't matter. बहुत abundant. जो भी आ रहे हैं या आ चुके हैं या आपको समझ आ रहा है कि इस तरह की एनर्जी आप चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, वाओ, या ऑलरेडी है, या आप उस पर एक स्टेप आप लेकर जाना चाह रहे हैं, या इनवाइट कर रहे हैं. Ooh. For some I see a letter coming in, maybe like an email, maybe distance is there, so of course I see all of that happening. With an Empress I see definitely a Cancer, I definitely see a Gemini, I definitely see, wow, maybe you're dealing with an air sign and a water sign, people. And as I said that, it is about you coming into that understanding that you are changing all for good. You're birthing something new. You're inviting something new with the Knight of Cups. You're saying that, this is the kind of energy I want. Somebody is very hot. Somebody's got amazing body, amazing figure. Somebody's very sexy. Someone knows what they need to say, when they need to say. Could be you, Taurus, could be cross watcher. Take it the way it resonates. You guys know. Ooh, you got the X Factor. The one you're thinking about has the X Factor, Taurus. That is why I think you see the sun with them, right? That is why you're attracting that, you're seeking the longevity. Superb. I've done, like I said, the encapsule reading for all dynamics. Full moon Sagittarius, do watch. You're ready to build. You're ready to plant the right kind of seeds for the relationship. Make all the wrongs right now. Taurus, that's what you're going to do. You're going to make all the wrongs right. Because you know what you're attracting. Because you know what you're really attracting. Because you know what you are looking for in the outcome. I don't think we can have a better reading. I don't need to even clarify this. Itni beautiful reading hai ye. There's nothing, there's more to this that I need to clarify. But still, let's pull out one more card, or two maybe, as clarifies as to what is the spirit advising. Okay, what is the outcome here? Because you are ready, Taurus. You're evolving. You're growing. You've realized finally that to have a healthy, strong, powerful relationship needs you also to work on yourself, right? It can't be the other person कि वो करता जाए आप बोलो जी मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, take it or leave it. No, you're saying I'm gonna change it because you're changing. I'm gonna change too, which is so amazing. Taurus, I love the reading here. I so love it. Michael, show me the messages I need to see. What is the outcome we need to see? I don't take out flip overs, okay? With the Queen of Cups, of course, you have been or you are dealing with the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Strong water energy, Taurus. So there is somebody is way too hot, sexy, pretty. Energy, please keep in mind. Could be a man too, very attractive, suave, hot, amazing energy. You just know it that the person is right for you, and it's very spiritual. It's for longevity. Could be your energy again, Emperor, knowing the shit. Gemini, Taurus, could be you. Again, your energy. That Emperor and an Empress is like a soulmate twin flame connection. Something major, Taurus, is going to happen in your life. With the Fool at the bottom of the deck, I think this is the best reading I have done so far today for all signs. We have an Emperor, we have an Empress, okay? And what else can you ask for? And you're ready to plant. That is the reason you're ready to plant, okay? And you're ready to do all the wrongs right, because you're going to start afresh and you're going to invite abundance in your life. Isn't that super amazing? Wow, Taurus, you have to like the reading, okay? Subscribe to the channel. And I love you guys. I have a phone call coming. So thank you so much. I love you guys. And share the reading, like the reading, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.